Welcome to my channel. If your Nighthawk router firmware update failed, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the safest and most effective ways to fix it. 1. Restart router first. Simple fix. Turn off router. Wait 60 seconds. Turn it back on. Try updating again. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. 2. Use wired connection. Do not update over Wi-Fi. Connect LAN cable from router to PC. Log in to router. Try firmware update again. This prevents connection drops. 3. Disable VPN and firewall. Temporarily turn off VPN, antivirus, web protection, firewall. These can block firmware download. 4. Download firmware manually. Most effective fix. Instead of automatic update, go to NETGEAR support website. Search your exact Nighthawk model. Download latest firmware file. Log in to router. Go to administration, firmware update. Choose manual upload. Select downloaded file and update. Do not power off during update. 5. Clear browser cache. Use different browser. Use Chrome Incognito, or try Edge, Firefox. Clear browser cache. 6. Factory reset. If router is acting strange, if update failed and router behaves oddly, hold reset button 10 to 15 seconds. Reconfigure router. Try firmware update again. 7. Recovery mode. If router is stuck, if router won't boot properly, use NETGEAR Firmware Recovery Tool. Upload firmware via recovery mode. This fixes corrupted firmware. Important tips. Never update during storm or unstable power. Avoid updating over Wi-Fi. Do not interrupt update process. Wait 5 to 10 minutes before assuming it failed. If your Nighthawk firmware update still fails, comment your exact router model below and I'll guide you step by step. For instant help, call 1-803-381-0141.